Let's turn back to our weather alert. Albert in the Sphere still tracking the storm. Some snow tonight, but really we are counting down to this frigid weather, Albert.
This time tomorrow night, Erica, we're going to have area-wide below zero wind chills, maybe even as cold as 30 below zero this time tomorrow night. Let's talk radar, and we've had passing snow showers all evening long, just under an inch recorded at O'Hare. A few spots that exceeded an inch out towards the western suburbs. Up towards the north in Kenosha, they reported 3.5 inches of snowfall tonight in just 2 hours, and the bulk of snow is exiting out of the area, and that's going to be the trend now through midnight with just a few little lingering pockets of snow. Overnight, the temperatures drop into the teens. The winds stay gusty, so wind chills tomorrow morning right around zero. Those wind chills get very dangerous. We head into tomorrow night. Cold front moves in late in the day tomorrow. By the time we wake up Friday morning, we've been talking about this all week. Wind chills 30 below to 40 below zero, and even Friday afternoon feeling like 25 below zero with a wind chill, and a first alert with an increasing snow threat over the weekend, especially late in the day Saturday into Sunday. Some of the models want to put some significant snowfall over parts of the area this weekend. Here's a look at the Doppler radar right now over the last several hours with this Clipper system passing on by. Again, the bulk of snow has moved off towards the east. There's still a few little lingering pockets of snowfall here in northwest Indiana, right along the Kankakee River, and a few flurries pushing into Chicago right now, but nothing significant for the remainder of the night. Let's head into tomorrow morning. A little bit of clearing, so some sun in the morning, temperatures in the teens, wind chills near 0 degrees. We're cooler tomorrow in the 20s, but snow free until the evening hours. Low to mid 20s expected for highs and feel like the single digits and teens in the afternoon. There's the position of this incredibly strong cold front as we head into tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. crossing through Chicago with a slight chance of snow around 7 o'clock. And then this time tomorrow, wind chills are already 20 below, maybe even 30 below zero. But the worst of this chill happens on Friday morning, 7 to 9 a.m. Wind chills 30 below to 40 below zero. And as we mentioned, even the middle of the afternoon on Friday, wind chills 20 below to 25 below zero. The actual air temperature at 11 below. That's the coldest temperature in Chicago since 2019. And with wind chills as cold as 40 below zero on Friday morning, frostbite happens within minutes. Here's a look at the forecast as we head into the weekend. Still brutally cold on Saturday morning at 9 below zero. Then late Saturday into Sunday, increasing snow chances. A little early right now to talk snowfall amounts, but some of the global models are spitting out some big time numbers. So if you have some weekend plans, let's monitor the snowfall forecast, especially late Saturday into Sunday. Another round of dangerous cold on Monday, 25 below zero wind chills Monday morning. Will only be in the single digits Monday afternoon. We'll keep an eye on it for you, Erica. Back to you.
All right. We know you will. Thank you, Albert.
Okay.